Hey, this is Joe, president of Rapid Restore Roofing, and this is my story. So I'll tell you a little something about myself. My name's Joe, and I'm proud to be born and raised right here in Long Island, New York. This town is more than just a place to me. Beautiful beaches, city life, everything in between. I couldn't ask for a better place to call home. I'm a family man, lucky to have a beautiful wife on my side and 3 amazing kids who really mean the world to me. My business partners are my brother and my childhood best friend who I actually grew up with, and we get to build and run this company together every day, and it's a lot of fun. We love what we do, so I would say I'm pretty lucky and really blessed. Roofing is literally my passion. It's all I know. I love it. I really do. I've been in the roofing industry my whole life. I roofed for my father and his company throughout my entire childhood. And I roofed on a couple different crews. Little fun fact about me, I've personally installed with my own hands over 40,000 square feet of asphalt roofing shingles. I like to think I've been around the block a little bit in that regards. So there's something really exhilarating though about being up there, working alongside a bunch of skilled craftsmen. It's not just a job, it's a responsibility to your crew and your company, and you all rely on each other to get the job done and get paid and get back to your families. There's something special about being on a roofing crew. It's an amazing dynamic that you just really can't get anywhere else, and I've never found that anywhere before. But I gotta say, what truly lights me up though is providing an experience for a customer that they just can't get anywhere else. I take so much pride in creating these experiences for our customers that go way above and beyond what other contractors are even capable of offering. Being able to do what other companies literally cannot or will not do is what makes this business exciting for me. It's all about that personal touch, making sure that my customers feel valued, safe, secure, and confident that they made the right choice, and also being there for them in the future. I decided to start my own company because I saw an opportunity in the roofing industry. And let's face it, many roofing contractors out there, I'll say most, are horrible with customer service, but that's my specialty. I knew if I could step in and provide homeowners with exceptional value while repairing the industry's reputation, that this company would be a success. Roofing contractors often get a bad rap for good reason, and it works against us a lot. The industry has a little bit of a black eye with competitors who lack proper insurance or just like chucks in a truck, as they say, but that fuels me. That fuels my determination to stand out and make a difference in this industry. I really believe that going that extra mile on everything we do here is why we're successful. And on such a big and important project like someone's roof on their home, they're trusting me with that. It's so satisfying for me to see that gleam of approval in their eyes, knowing that I've exceeded their expectations. Exceptional service is a fundamental part of our company, and it's the main focus of our core values. We're not just dedicated to putting on good roofs. We're dedicated to delivering a level of customer service that surpasses all expectations. We want to make ourselves proud. And at the highest level, it's really about restoring trust in the industry. So, when you choose my company, Rapid Restore Roofing, you're not just getting quality workmanship or quality materials or this or that. You're getting a commitment to excellence and transparency and the highest level of service, my personal guarantee. So when it comes to your roof, don't settle for less than that. Choose Rapid Restore Roofing, the company that cares.